Ethical animal tourism. For thousands of years, humans have used animals to help them get around. With ethical animal tours, you can try these traditional modes of transport all over the world without causing harm to the animals. Dog sledding. These adorable husky dogs just love running. Watch the beautiful Finnish landscape flash by as you speed through the snow. Yak Adventures. Yaks are great means of transport. They are very strong, so they will hardly notice you sitting on their backs as you explore the Mongolian steppe. Elephant encounters. Visit Thailand's Bang Chang Elephant Park and learn about the biggest land animal on Earth. You can even take a ride on one, but only if the elephant wants you to. Camel Rides. Trek across the Kizilkum Desert in Kazakhstan, just like the Silk Road traders used to do on a camel. Camels can travel over 100 kilometers a day and go for weeks without water. Which of these animal tours would you enjoy most?